Hello everyone, it's me Sai and today I'm going to show you how to build a very simple calculator in Python. Okay, the first statement is print. Second statement is an input statement, so it's going to be the variable a is equal to float, and I hope that you know what a float is. And float input, and it's going to, the input shows that enter the first number, and b let's just put a colon over here with a space. And then we're gonna put an operation statement, which operation we're gonna use. It might be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or power. So this time we're not gonna use float. We're just gonna use input. So it's gonna be as let's make it as choice. Choice is equal to input symbol, because some people might even type that do addition and all, that's why. Next statement is going to be an if statement. So the word if only tells what an if statement is. So if choice is equal to addition, then print, sum is equal to a plus b. So let's just see if this works. So first number would be 4. Oops, sorry, I did not enter 4. First number is going to be 4, second number 6. So we should get the answer as 10 when we enter a plus symbol. Yes, it does work. Now let's do the same thing for the other operations as well. And this is going to be division, and for division it's going to be as quotient. And the final one is power, and we're just gonna write power simply. But for power, right, it won't work as the power symbol that we normally use, but we're gonna use double star, which is multiplication again multiplication. And we can't just keep on using if statement all the time, because if otherwise you need to have like a lot of else, and it won't work as the syntax is not gonna work. So we're gonna put elif. So elif is like an if statement, but we have choices in if statement. It's like that. But but the first statement that we put if is gonna remain the same. It's not gonna become elif. Okay, now we're going to put an else statement, which is like if the thing we have entered does not match all these statements, it's going to be as invalid input. So let's just do as. Now let's try this newly built calculator. Okay, now let's enter the first number, which is going to be as 15, second number 5. Mathematical symbol is going to be subtraction, so the answer should be 10. Yes, it does work. Now if I want to do another time, we need to close this, again run it. But I don't want like this. I want the whole thing just to be repeating. I don't want to close it again and open. So for that, there's a simple code. First we're gonna put everything as one tab, is we're just gonna put it as 4 spaces. Then we're gonna put it as L is equal to 1. So this is a while statement. So since L is 1, while L is smaller than 1000, so L multiplied by 1000 is 1000. So since L is smaller than 1000, L plus 1. Let's just test it. It does work, as you can see over here. And we even get decimal numbers. That's a really good thing. And let's try putting negative numbers. We're getting like the product, right? We're getting like a really big number. It's not that big, but there are a lot of decimal places. But I don't want all those things. I only want the first 3 decimal places with the whole number part. So for that, there's a thing which for that we need to do as round and comma 3. Okay, so we are rounding the statement over here, which is a plus b with 3 decimal places. So let's try this again. Now first number we'll put it as a really big decimal place, like 12.12, like this number. The second number is going to be as like this, and it's going to be as plus. As you can see over here, it's just rounding up to 3 decimal places, which is like a really good thing. And you can just continue the same thing over. So and I'm just gonna put it as print, and it's gonna be as press 0 for info. And when they're gonna press info, it is gonna be like this. So elif choice is a calculator made by so and so. So I'm just gonna put my name aside, and you can just add whatever you want. So just keep on following my channel, subscribe and like it, and in the comment section you can just paste your code. And if you have any problems, please paste your code in the comment section and please highlight me so that I could read that code, I could modify it, and I could put it back to you so that it will work for you. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.